Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today we'll talk about vitamin D3 supplement and why it should be taken with vitamin K2. Now, vitamin K2 is another fat-soluble vitamin like D3 that plays a very important role in a lot of the biological process in our body. When K2 is taken with D3, it improves the absorption of D3, thus help you get your level of D3 faster in the body. We have discussed in previous video how vitamin D helps improve calcium from intestine and reabsorption from kidney, thus increasing our calcium level. Now, when the calcium level goes up in the arteries, it has to get transported to bones to improve the bone health. This is where vitamin K2, specifically AMK2, comes into play. Vitamin K helps absorb calcium from arteries into the bone, thus improving your bone health and, the most important thing, preventing calcification of the artery. Because if your calcium level is very high in your arteries, it will cause calcification of artery, which is bad for your heart. So vitamin D helps absorb calcium into the bloodstream or improve your calcium level into the bloodstream, and K2 will take that calcium into the bone to improve your bone strength. Thus, this combination works perfect for bone health, joint pain, muscle recovery, and preventing calcification of your artery. So make sure whenever you take vitamin D3, you get the one that has K2 in it and take the combination always. If you have any question, give us a call, subscribe for more videos.